washed out the rice once, and then I added some water here. As you can see, the rice is sitting in here, and I'm going to let it sit in here for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to let it ferment for about a week or 2 days, and then refrigerate it. This right here, I fermented it for about a week, and then I refrigerated it. So this. I use the same rice. So this is the process. So I went ahead and I washed this out once, like I said, and then I'm just going to let the water sit. Just let the rice sit in here for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to transfer the water to another container and let that ferment, and then I have some more rice water. This one already fermented for a week, and that's what I'm going to be using in my hair. What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a rice water wash day routine video. I haven't done one in quite some time, and I feel like y'all already know my wash routine, so I don't really do them all the time, but when I do them, y'all do watch them and y'all like them. So I decided to do another one for you guys. So my hair is like tangled, it's a hot mess, and it has like a lot of new growth. I just been like twisting it. So I've just been like twisting it and hiding it under some weave, or like doing like some weave styles just to like not mess with it. I even did like 2 jumbo twists, and I rocked out for like a week straight, and my hair looked like I did not put much effort into it. But today I finally decided that I'm going to wash my hair, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Nourishing shampoo. I have my rice water treatment right here. And then I have my rice water here. So I'm just going to rinse out all the shampoos from my hair. Then I'm just going to put on my shower cap. And then I'm gonna leave this in my hair for 30 minutes to an hour, however long I want to, but usually over 30 minutes. Okay, over 30 minutes. So, but I usually do 30 minutes to an hour and then I rinse it out. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going ahead and washing I'm going ahead and rinsing out the rice water, and then I'm going to style my hair however I plan to style it. I just turn on the water and then I just let the water run. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. I'll probably upload that in a separate video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my rice water wash day routine. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.